As master of one of the oldest city livery companies, it is with infinite pleasure that I welcome you to our dear old square mile. These pigs, I believe, have been judged for prizes alive in New Zealand at the Invercargill Winter Show, and were killed and shipped to this country, where they have been judged in their several classes by London experts. Gentlemen, I welcome you to the finest meat market in the world.
It has as its great objective the improvement in our production, and behind all is a determination by competitions of this character to bring up that efficiency, but what is probably more important, to ensure that we are going to produce for your market what you really want and not what we think you want. We are rather at the moment, sir, concentrating upon the pig. You have talked of beef and mutton and lamb, but today it is rather the pig that's in the forefront, and possibly that is a good thing, because I believe there are very great opportunities for we in the Dominion to supply you with baconers in particular, which is going to be no form of competition with British agriculture, but which is really going to be complementary to it and is going to provide you with what you want and will mean an increased utilization of our own supplies, but will also mean employment in Great Britain.